Hi guys, today I am going out with one of my friends. It has been a long time. I decided to wear my makeup with you. It will be Chanel. I thought I will use them together. One more cooler than more warm, but I think I can work it out as always. I finished all my skincare. Face primer, I applied it. Applied my eyeshadow primer too. Take a big fluffy brush. I will start first with 328 Parure Crystal. This is the one I will start with. This was lighter one. Let me swatch it first. I didn't swatch it at all. Very classic Chanel. Very soft. This one. Let me see it first. You can see me well. I have my mirror in front of me here. I'm kind of excited to go out with my friend today. However, the weather gets so hot again. Not so hot, but hot and humid. Came back to 80s. After it has started to be late 70s, but it's okay. We'll come back. Actually, next week it will be coolish. 60s and 50s for Houston. It's very nice. A nice base for my eyeshadow. Just to blend everything nicely. No precision. It's pretty. You cannot see it because it's very light, but it's, believe me, it's very nice. Okay, I think I will take the same brush. Okay, hear me out here. It's always, I love to play with my makeup, you know that. I will take this one with the same brush, and yeah, see, little bit deeper, but not that much deeper. Yeah, this will be pretty. There is no big difference, but there is a difference. This make it more deeper in the socket and in this area, which I like. Yeah, here. See, it's much deeper than the other one. And with the same brush, because again, I don't want it to be precise. I just want to deep little bit the outer corner, and the left in the brush I will put it in the socket as I always do. So far I am using only crystal number 328. This is the one I'm still using it. I didn't change to the other one yet. And I took this too. And now I can take both and just again blend. Just blend. Nothing precise, nothing sophisticated. The socket is the area, you know, just give you some depths, some shape for your eyes. You see, it's very, maybe I'll take it out a little bit like that to blend. This is the one I used, the two light shades there. I didn't use this one yet. I move to the Parure Vénétienne. This one, please. Yes. Beautiful shades too. This is SURRATT. It's very odd shape, but sometimes I use it for what I'm going to do now. This color, let me see how it's going to do on the socket. Yep. It's very soft. Give some depth, like it. Under my eye. Just cannot see it, I know, but believe me, it's very beautiful. I always tend to blend as well my under eye with the same shades I used on the eyelid. First, to complete my eye look. Second, to make it easy for the darker shades that I am going to apply. I use now both the lighter shades. Blend again everything with the same brush, the Tom Ford big fluffy brush, Tom Ford pencil eye brush. These two to make the same like on the top of my lid. This it will be pretty. By the way, I made an unboxing video for this eyeshadow palette. Please go and check it out and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. I didn't try it. Let me open the powder eyeshadow. I think I'll it. Let's see. There is a fallout because it's a powder. But I love the color. I love the color. Flat brush. Color is beautiful, guys. There's a fallout, but it's normal. Very normal for loose eyeshadow. Actually, there are people put it on their hand, but for me, it's fine. I can do that, don't mind. Because anyway, I will clean up the 3 shades from the 2 palette. And just blend here, and to put your brush like that so you don't touch the eyeshadow. Yeah, just to blend, no harsh lines. Yeah, eye pencil brush with this. This is better, and I will put it underneath my eye. Yeah. It's beautiful color. And if I want to deep it, I will. But for now, I'm happy with the result. Guys, I'm back. I did my mascara, eyebrows, cleaned up, put bronzer. I use this bronzer. This is Chanel, but this was limited edition. I want to finish up with you the last touch of my eye stuff. I decided to both palettes and take the darkest shades in both. Get your brush, both like that. You can see that. Yep, and because you know me, I am a dramatic person. Yeah, just the same eye pencil brush. Just yeah. Look at the mirror. Yeah, I like it. Then this one, just blend again. I still didn't put anything in my brow bone. Put all the makeup I used down in my description box for you guys. Much easier, much more convenient. Just click on it, buy it, and you are ready to go. You don't pay extra or anything. It's just affiliated links. Make it easier for you to buy. They put for you all the shades. I will try always to find everything, but sometimes unfortunately limited editions I cannot find. And I used LOUBOUTIN mascara. I need to finish it because I opened it for a while. Waterline down. I think I will use Charme 887 Chanel. Yeah, this one. Yeah, for my inner corner, I think I like this one more than this one. This is Chanel, and this is the shade I picked from Parure Vénétienne. I will take this one. It's more warmish, and this is the palette. It's good. Start here, yeah, better this one. And just blend. Nice. I made as well makeup tutorials recently, 2 makeup tutorials, so I put the link for you down below too, so you can check them out. They are very nice, ended up with again new eyeshadows palettes. Can you see what I'm doing? Hope so. I didn't change, it's the same shade in the Parure Vénétienne. You know me, I love always to continue here, so be complete. Yeah, I like it this way. Open up my inner. I didn't put any eyeliner here, if you can tell. I just let this beautiful one, the loose eyeshadow powder from Chanel, only. I didn't touch it. Clear gel from Givenchy. However, the Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel doesn't make it move, but I like to make sure I don't move. Gel, it helped to blend as well. Take this blush, the fall blush, because we are still in fall. $7.98, beige, rosé et mauve. Love this one. Yeah, this is Chanel. I just put it all together. It's too pigmented, so smile like I always do. I think it will be nice with this. Yeah. The rest, don't add anything, just blend it. And always here. Okay, this is beautiful. Highlighter guys, highlighter, and you know me with the highlighters. Can you believe that this one of the last year I didn't even touch it? I didn't. I think it's about time I will try it with you. Take my lovely Chocohudu highlighter. I love this one. Don't know this thing. Ah, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Don't know if you can see that. I hope you can see that. Can you? Can you? I hope so. Wow, guys. More highlighters. More highlighters. Oh. This is beautiful. Take the Chanel loose powder. I love this one too. Oh, I love this. It's a very silky. Oh, just blend everything together. Yeah, guys. Timeless. Beautiful. I love it. Both. Nice. Both did great job. It's beautiful as well. Very nice bronzer. Love it too. Ooh. Can you see that? Nice. If you like my video, just give me a huge thumb up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet, and see my videos. I will see you there. Bye.